Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today is another episode of the Tuesday Toss It, where I am vacuum sealing some of my food supply to organize my front room. So here's the egg boxes that I usually try to get because I go through a lot of eggs. Wish I had chickens. Wouldn't have to worry about that. But I vacuum sealed my rice. One of them didn't get vacuum sealed very well, but I will be using that first anyways because it's a brown rice. So, but for right now, it's just organized and it's set up into 1 cup portions. So that is how I work with that. I originally did it because it would make enough for me and Care Bear, but yeah, so anyways, they're in 1 cup portions. There's still a room for a few more in here. I don't know how I did it before, but they fit a lot better before, and I think they were skinnier and longer, so I think that's how it worked. But anyways, oh, and if you ever need any fire starters, you can always use these to put cotton balls or lint and wax in and make fire starters. But right now, I'm not going to do that. And then I vacuum sealed some other items. I got some cheesy tuna skillet dinner with the name, the ingredients, and everything involved. As usual, they're not completely vacuumed down because... Ooh, I could probably focus that a little bit better. There you go. Because I don't want the noodles to puncture. So, and then I found another stovetop. This is turkey, I believe. Yes, turkey. So I'll be putting that away as well. I also did some hamburger helper, some tuna helper. Let's see, another beef, rice and noodle dish. And that didn't vacuum down as well, so I will put that towards the top of whatever I put it in, so that way I use it up first. Just trying to get some of the boxes and things together so I can put them all in a tote and make it a lot easier. That way food's not everywhere. Also, I got some chicken of the same kind of thing. It's with the rice and tiny pieces of like spaghetti or something. I don't remember what they're called. Anyways, then I have this dinner complete kind of thing, and all you have to do is add the chicken, which I can add a can of chicken or some of my home canned chicken to it, and it's done in 20 minutes. So that comes with everything in there: the sauce, the noodles, and the cheese sauce. Or this might be seasoning, I don't remember. Anyways, the directions are on the back. Also helped protect the bag from some of the noodles. So that's what I got done today. I'm in a lot of pain, unfortunately. But it is what it is. My knee isn't working very well. The one that's been replaced 9 years ago. So I will have to... see a knee doctor at the end of this month. And, yeah. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you all updated on that. We're having a storm, so I'm thankful for this camera app because it puts a little bit more light in here. But that's what I got done today. It's quite a bit of rice in there. So, anyways... Have a great day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.